Hello together! In this video I want to show you how to make a screenshot on the Huawei P50 Pocket. It is very easy to make screenshots on the Huawei P50 Pocket. You can copy any screen you want to. If it's the home screen, the settings screen, or any app. It can be that there are some regulations concerning screenshots when you want to copy perhaps an image from a movie or something. Then it can be that the screenshot remains black, but in 90% of the cases it should work without any problems. And how do you make a screenshot? It's pretty easy. You have here on the side the power button and the sound lower button. And if you press both of them for a short period of time, then you can see here is a miniature of your screenshot that you have made, and it disappears within 2 or 3 seconds. But it's not gone. It will be in your gallery, and you can see here is my screenshot that I have just made, and then I can go in the edit mode and I can just crop it, and I can put in some filters, adjust, or I can just doodle some things in it. So it's pretty easy to do some things, and then I can save it as a new picture. And then you can see here is my new picture and everything's fine. The second possibility is to edit this image directly. So I make a screenshot again and I see this miniature and I click on it, and then you can see I'm directly in the edit mode. So again, I can just perhaps only this, and I will say hello. So okay, now I'm finished here, and I click here at the top right, and then again I am here with hello and my image is here. So it's pretty easy to make screenshots on the Huawei P50 Pocket. Yes, that was it. I hope I helped you with this video a little bit. If yes, please give me some thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed. I'm pretty new here, so it would be great if you could support me with your thumbs up and your subscriptions. We'll see us next time. Bye bye.